We are going to look at, idioms from kind of like not say all over the world, but from different places, all right, and the origin, and some of them, frankly, are kind of like funny or weird, but that's the whole intention, right, to make it different for you. Okay, the first one, okay, it's got Japanese origin, to have a wide face. Okay, what does it mean to have a wide face in Japanese? A, to be an open person. B, to be very happy. C, to have many friends. What do you think it means? Okay. Well, to have a wide face here, all right, means that you have many friends. Okay, you have many friends. You have a wide face. Now, I'm not sure about the context. Why is it a Japanese thing that, to have a wide face means that you have many friends? But that's how it has evolved, and that's how it is. Okay, now, I would suspect that some of it, might be kind of like a literal, direct translation from the original language. So they put it in English. This is the literal English translation. Because as you can see here, all right, the Mandarin or the Chinese expression, horse, horse, tiger, tiger. Now, Chinese students, okay, you can kind of like do a mental translation in your head. Horse, horse, tiger, tiger. What does it mean? With this expression in English. All right. Well, in Chinese, it means like mama, hu hu. All right, which means that it's like, okay, quite so-so. So yes, it is not good. It is just so-so. Well, it's not that bad either. So that's the answer for horse, horse, tiger, tiger. Obviously, there is no equivalent of an English expression. Okay, it is really just saying it's a very direct sort of thing. Now, I wouldn't encourage you, for example, to kind of like put it like in your English essay, horse, horse, tiger, tiger. I think nobody will knows what you mean. But what you can do is, the performance is like of this singer or this whatever is kind of like mediocre. That would be the closest, I suppose, English word or equivalent to this idea that is so-so. All right, it's quite okay.